Hello, second graders. Today I'm going to show you how you can get into Kids A to Z so that you can begin working in the program called Headsprout. Headsprout is a great program that helps build your phonemic awareness and phonics skills to help you become better readers. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link kidsatoz.com and it will take you to this page. You're then going to type in your teacher's username, and each section has a different username. So this section is for section 1, and section 1 is CNoggle0. If you are in section 2, yours is going to be CNoggle1. And if you are in section 3, it is going to be CNoggle2. So we will go in to section 3 for now, and I'm going to type in the username there, CNoggle2, and click Go. Now I'll see the dashboard where I can see all of the students in section 3 that are in this class. So I'm going to choose, for example, Maya. Thank you for allowing me to use your name in this video. Maya is going to be clicking on her name, and then she will be taken to the Kids A to Z dashboard. There are two important things that I want you to take note of. We have Headsprout and we have reading. We may choose to use vocabulary, but for now we're really going to focus on Headsprout. Headsprout, go ahead and click on that, and then once you're in there you'll see a little treehouse. When you're ready to begin the placement test, you're going to click on the little treehouse and it's going to take you right into the pretest. It's very important when you're taking the pretest to make sure you are doing the test all on your own. This way the program can place you on the correct path that you need to take in order to best build your fluency skills and your reading skills. So please do not get any help from parents at home or any siblings at home, and please be sure to do your very best, and if you miss some, that is okay. When you're ready to begin, again click Headsprout and begin your pretest.